Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, I am Marina Halid, your Islamiyat teacher. And in lesson 3, our topic is memorization and translation. We are going to learn du'as. Our first dua is dua for astaghfar or asking forgiveness. Rabbana zalamna anfusana wa in lam taghfir lana wa tarhamna lanakunanna minal hasirin. Its translation is, Our Lord, we have wronged ourselves, and if you do not forgive us and have mercy upon us, we will surely be among the losers. This dua is also called dua of Prophet Adam alayhi salam, because when Hazrat Adam alayhi salam seeking forgiveness from Allah, then he recite this dua. Astaghfar is also known as Astaghfirullah. Astaghfirullah is the act of seeking forgiveness from Allah. When we ask forgiveness from Allah means we want to get strength from Allah to refrain from sins and evil. Now our second dua is dua for patience. Rabbana afrigh alayna sabran وَثَبِّتْ أَقْدَامَنَا وَانْصُرْنَا عَلَى الْقَوْمِ الْكَافِرِينَ. Its translation is, O Lord, bless us with fortitude, make firm our foothold, and give us victory over the unbelievers. Dear student, we must have to learn this dua for patience because Allah loves those who are patient. Allah also supports those who are patient. Patience means the capacity to accept or tolerate trouble. Allah also supports those who are patient. Dear students, this is the end of your today's class. You have to memorize these two duas along with its translation, and your third dua on page number 5 is your homework task. Thank you.